Traditional Japanese room with onsen and mountain view. We totally missed the hotel while driving. Had to search around a wee bit as this place did not look like a hotel at all. It was more like an art gallery. Room was large and bright with sufficient natural light from the large glass doors with a great view of the mountain to greet you every time. The onsen is pretty small but decent as they do not have many guests around. On all occasions, I found myself to be the only patron in the late evening. Breakfast was not served in the hotel premises but at a small cafe cottage by the lake. The lake is a slow 10 minutes walk away. It was energizing to have breakfast by the lake. The cafe draws tourist crowds who are casually strolling by the lake. The downside is that the shops nearby close at 5 p.m. and the nearest dinner place is about a 5 minutes drive. There's always loss in the convenience store that is opposite the hotel if you don't feel like driving. It was wonderful. It was my first time to go to Kyushu and Yufuin. At the first time, actually we didn't know what kind of hotel would be good for me and my friend to have a package travel there. But we all think we made a good decision to choose Yufuin Kinrinko Hotel. The staff there was really friendly and the room was really wider than we could imagine. The best thing I have to say is that the breakfast served. It was served in an elegant art coffee shop just beside the Kinrinko, 5 minutes away from the hotel by feet. So we really had a wonderful morning there, seeing the beautiful scenery beside the lake. If I could go to Yufuin again, I would definitely choose Yufuin Kinrinko Hotel. Nice room condition good, great and very comfortable even far from station of Yufuin. Better BT taxi service. Charge around 10 used.